Dear children, here we are going to learn graph of a linear equation in two variables. Graph of a linear equation in two variables. So far you have obtained the solutions of a linear equation two variables algebraically. Algebraically we find out the solutions of a linear equation in two variable. Now let us look at their geometric representation. How can we represent geometrically? You know that each such equation has infinitely many solutions. Linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. How can we show them in the coordinate plane? Coordinate plane that we have studied in the previous chapter. You may have got some indications in which we write the solutions as pairs of values. The solutions of the linear equation x plus 2y is equal to 6 can be expressed in the form of a table as follows by writing the values of y below the corresponding values of x. Here in this table 1, we wrote the solutions of the linear equation in two variable x plus 2y is equal to 6. 0, 3 is a solution of this equation. 2, 2 is a solution of this equation. 4, 1 is a solution of this equation. 6, 0 is a solution of this equation. In the previous chapter, you studied how to plot the points on a graph paper. First point is 0, 3, second point is 2, 2, third point 4, 1 and the fourth point is 6, 0. On a graph paper we are going to plot it, then we will get the graph of the linear equation in two variables. That is here, first point 0, 3. 0, 3 is the first point, first solution. So 0, 3 means that is this point 0, 3. Second one is 2, 2. This one is the point. 4, 1. 6, 0 is this point. If we join these all the points, then we will get a straight line. Straight line. That is the graph of the linear equation two variable x plus 2y is equal to 6. So when we draw the graph of a linear equation in two variable, we will get a straight line. And all the solutions will be there on the straight line. And here you see now join any two of these points and obtain a line. We will get a straight line. Do you see that other 2 points also lie on the line AB? Now pick another point on this line, say 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 is a point on this line. That is a solution of the linear equation two variable x plus 2y is equal to 6. Is this a solution? In fact, x is equal to 8 plus 2 into y minus 1 is equal to 6. 8 plus 2 into minus 1 minus 2. 8 minus 2 is equal to, we will get 6. So 8 minus 1 is a solution. So 8 minus 1 is a solution of this equation. Pick any other point on this line AB and verify whether its coordinates satisfy the equation or not. A, that is minus 3, 4. Minus 3, 4 also will satisfy in this equation. So how many points are there on the straight line? All the points are the solutions of that linear equation in two variables. Now from here we can obtain some solutions, that is some observations. Let us list our observations. Every point whose coordinates satisfy equation 1 lies on the line AB. Every point whose coordinates satisfy equation 1 lies on the line AB. Equation 1 is x plus 2y is equal to 6. Every point AB on the line AB gives a solution x is equal to a, y is equal to b of equation 1. Every point on the line AB gives a solution of that equation. And any point which does not lie on the line AB is not a solution of the equation. These are the observations we will get from the graph. Okay, now let's start exercise 4.3, question number 1. Exercise 4.3. Question number 1 is draw the graph of each of the following linear equations in two variables. X plus y is equal to 4, x minus y is equal to 2, y is equal to 3x, 3 is equal to 2x plus y. From here, question number 1 I will show you. Remaining questions you have to do it by yourself. This graph we have to draw it on a graph paper. So first you have to take your graph book and write the question. Exercise 4.3, question number 1. Draw the graph of each of the following linear equations in two variables. Question number 1, I will show you. Remaining questions you have to do it by yourself. So question number 1, x plus y is equal to 4. From here we will find out the value of y. X plus y is equal to 4. Y is equal to what we will get answer? 4. Plus x transposing to right side we will get minus x. Either y value, here I find out the value of y, either y or x value you can find out, and right hand side what is the variable, for that we will substitute different values, that much only. First one, when x is equal to 0, y is equal to, what will get answer, 4 minus 0, that is equal to 4. Again, when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 4 minus, in place of x we have to substitute 1. 4 minus 1, that is equal to 3. Again, one more value we have to substitute. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2. Now 3 solutions we got. That 3 solutions we have to write in a table. Anyway, you can find out, okay, that is x plus y is equal to 4. X plus y is equal to 4, y is equal to 4 minus x I wrote. You can write x is equal to 4 minus y also. Then right hand side y will come. Then you have to find out three solutions for x and y. That much only. That is here. After getting 3 solutions, you have to draw a table to write the solution. Three columns we have to draw. And here we will write x and y. First x value we have substituted 0, that we will write here. Corresponding y value we got 4. Next x value we have substituted 1. Corresponding y value we got 3. Next x value is 2. Corresponding y value 2. So these are the 3 solutions of the equation. Now, in the graph page, you have to draw x-axis and y-axis. Here I have drawn already 2 perpendicular lines. Here you have to mark. Both sides you have to give arrow mark. And here we have to write x, o, x dash. Capital letter only we will mark x, o, x dash. And here y, o. Downside here you have to mark y dash. And here I wrote 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. And here left hand side it will come negative. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, etc. Upside on y-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. Downside it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, etc. And remember, in this graph page, we are allowed to use only a pencil. Don't use a pen here to mark this point, or for marking the numbers or whatever it may be, we will use only a pencil in this graph page. Now first point we are going to mark here. First point is 0, 4. Second point 1, 3. And third point is 2, 2. 0, 4. First point is 0, 4. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 4. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 4. This one is the point. Here you have to give a cross and round it. And mark it there 0, 4. Here we will write 0, 4. Ordered pair 0, 4 you have to mark. Now second point is second solution 1, 3. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 3. This one is the point. 3 is here. So give a cross mark there and round it and write the coordinates there 1, 3. Next one is 2, 2. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2 here. This one is the point. Give a cross mark there and round it and write the coordinates 2, 2. Join these 3 points, we will get a straight line, that is the graph of the linear equation x plus y is equal to 4. So here we have to join these 3 points, we will get a straight line. These 3 points. Then give arrow mark both sides. We have to give arrow mark both sides, and we have to write the equation nearby that graph. x plus y is equal to 4. Either upside here or downside here you write the equation x plus y is equal to 4. That means this straight line is the geometrical representation of the linear equation in two variable x plus y is equal to 4. That is the answer. Now let's see question number 2. Question number 2, write in your notebook. Give the equations of two lines passing through 214. How many more such lines are there and why? Give the equations of two lines passing through 214. 214, it is a point on the Cartesian plane, and we have to give two equations of two lines. Give the equations of two lines. Two equations we have to write passing through 214. So first we can write a solution. X plus y is equal to 16 and x plus y is equal to 16. See here, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 14. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 14. X is equal to 2 plus y is equal to 14. 14 plus 2 is equal to how much it will come? 16. So x plus y is equal to 16 is a solution, is a linear equation in two variable. If we draw the graph of this linear equation in two variable, it will pass through the point 214, because 214 is a solution of this linear equation in two variable. And one more line we have to write, one more equation. We can write this way: 2x plus y is equal to 2x plus y is equal to 18. 2x plus y is equal to 18. 2 2's are 4 plus 14. 14 plus 4 is equal to 18. So this way many equations we can draw. Here a question is there: how many more such lines are there? Infinite number of such lines are there. We can write answer: infinite number of such lines are there passing through the point 214, because infinite number of lines can be passed through a point. Infinite number of lines can be passed through a point. That is why we can draw infinite number of lines through the point 214. That is the reason. Now let's see question number 3. If the point 34 lies on the graph of the equation 3y is equal to ax plus 7, find the value of a. Here one a is there, we have to find the value of a. And already it is given here. Point 34 lies on the graph of the equation 3y is equal to ax plus 7. That means 34 is a solution of this equation, and in place of x we can substitute 3, and in place of y we can substitute 4. We have to substitute 3, 4 in this equation, then we will get the value of a. So first we have to write the equation. 3y is equal to ax plus 7. 34 lies on the graph of this equation. Therefore 34 is a solution of the equation. 34 is a solution of the equation. Therefore we can write 3 into 4 is equal to a into 3 plus 7. In place of x I have substituted 3, and in place of y I have substituted 4. 3 into 4 is equal to a into 3 plus 7. 3 4s are 12 is equal to a into 3, that is 3a plus 7. Plus 7 we will transpose into left side. Plus 7 transposing to left side we will get 12 is here, left hand side. Plus 7 transposing to here, minus 7 is equal to 3a. 12 minus 7, that is what is answer? 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. 5 is equal to 3a. Now 3 transposing to left side, 5. This one is into 3. Into 3 transposing to left side we will get divided by 3 is equal to a will remain there. And therefore we can write a is equal to what is the value? 5 divided by 3. Therefore the value of a is equal to 5 divided by 3. That is the answer. Now let's see question number 4. The taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer, the fare is rupees 8. Taxi fare in a city is as follows. The taxi fare in a city, it is given here. For the first kilometer, we have to pay rupees 8. And for the subsequent distance, it is rupees 8 per kilometer. That means, if we travel first 1 kilometer, then we have to give rupees 8. Again 1 more kilometer if we travel, then we have to give 8 plus 5, 13 rupees. That means the first kilometer it is rupees 8, and the subsequent distance, that means subsequent distance means after 1 kilometer, how many kilometers we are traveling, for that all the kilometer we have to give rupees 5 per kilometer. Taking the distance covered as x kilometer and total fare as rupees y, write a linear equation for this information and draw its graph. Taking the distance covered as x kilometer, total distance covered x kilometer, and total fare as rupees y. Total fare paid is rupees y. Then write a linear equation for this information and draw its graph. So this question also you have to write in your graph book. Then total fare it is given here rupees y. X kilometer traveled. Suppose an example, a person traveled 5 kilometer. Suppose a person traveled 5 kilometer. Then first 1 kilometer he has to pay rupees 8 plus remaining how many kilometers? 4 kilometers. 4 into, for each kilometer 5 rupees only we will pay. That is 4 5s are 20 plus 8. 20 plus 8 is equal to 28 rupees he has to pay. So that is for example I told 5 kilometer. If it is for 5 kilometer, here it is given the distance covered as x kilometer. We have to find out the value of x kilometer. That is the distance covered is x kilometer and the total fare is y. So how can we write that? Total fare is 28. That is we can write y. Y is equal to 8 plus 4 is the distance covered here. Then that is 4 is the distance covered. Here it is 5 x kilometer, and for x minus 1 it will come 4 into 5 we have to multiply. That is the answer. That is the linear equation, 2 variable. That means here we will write, let the distance covered be distance covered be x kilometer, and the total fare be rupees y. Then according to the question we can write total fare is equal to first 1 kilometer anyway he has to pay rupees 8 plus remaining how many kilometer? Total distance covered is x. So remaining x minus 1 kilometer is there. X minus 1 kilometer. For this x minus 1 kilometer he has to pay 5 rupees. So into 5 we can write. That same I wrote here. 5 kilometer. First total fare is y. Total fare is equal to total fare. Here we got 28. That is y. So y is equal to we can write first kilometer 8 rupees plus remaining total 5 kilometer here. So 5 minus 1 4 here. Total kilometer x. So x minus 1 kilometer into for each kilometer 5 rupees. So into 5 we have to write here. Then y is equal to 8 plus x into 5, that is 5x minus 1 into 5 5. y is equal to 5x plus 8 minus 5, that is equal to 3. Y is equal to 5x plus 3. Y we can transpose into right side. 0 is equal to 5x plus 3 minus y. That we can write as 0 is equal to 5x minus y plus 3. We wrote in the standard form, that much only. Then that is equal to, we can write, just opposite we have to write 5x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. That is the linear equation in two variable for this information. And now we have to draw its graph. For drawing the graph, we are going to take this equation only, that is y is equal to 5x plus 3. Now for x we will substitute values. When x is equal to 0, that is did not travel any kilometer, or x is equal to 1 we can write. X is equal to 1, that is better. X is equal to 1. Any value we can substitute for x. X is equal to 1, then y is equal to what will get answer? 5 into 1 plus 3. 5 into 1, that is 5 plus 3, that is equal to 5 plus 3, 8. 1 kilometer 8 rupees, that is a given condition. If first kilometer 8 rupees and subsequent kilometer it is 5 rupees. Now when x is equal to 2, that means a person traveled 2 kilometer, then how much rupees he has to pay? Y is equal to 5 into 2 kilometer, 5 into 2 kilometer plus 3. 5 2s are 10 plus 3, that is equal to 13. Then again one more value we have to find out. When x is equal to, just substitute 3, x is equal to 3, then y is equal to what will get answer? 5 into 3 plus 3, that is equal to 5 3s are 15 plus 3, that is equal to 18. 18 it will be difficult to mark, so we will write, to mark in the graph paper we will write one more value. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 5 into 0 plus 3, that is equal to 5 into 0, 0 plus 3, that is equal to 3. Now we have to draw a table and we will mark, we will write all these solutions in that table. After that we have to draw the graph. First we have to write x and y. Upside it is x, downside y. X is equal to 0, y is equal to what we got answer? 3. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 8. X is equal to 2, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 13. Y is equal to 13. X is equal to 3 we will not write because y is equal to 18. Here we are getting 18. That will be difficult to mark. So that is why we will write only 2. Now we have to mark these points on a graph paper. For that first we have to draw x-axis and y-axis. Here already I have drawn xo x dash, xo x dash, 1 2 3 4 5 6, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6, and downside minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, and here you have to mark y. Arrow mark should be there. Upside 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, up to 14 I have marked because here it is coming 13. So first point is 0 3, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. We have to mark it with a pencil. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. So this one is the point. 0 3 ordered pair we have to write. Second point is 1 8, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 8. This one is the point, 8 here. Give a cross mark and round it and write there 1 8. Third point is 2 13. X is equal to 2, x is equal to 2, it is here, y is equal to 13, y is equal to 13, this one is the point. Then mark it there, 2 13, 2 13, etc. It will go on. Then these 3 points we have to join it with a straight line. 3 points are there. That 3 points we have to join, we will get a straight line. So here this one is the first point, 0 3. Second point is 1 8, and the third point is 2 13. So we'll join that 3 points, we will get a straight line. Little more we can produce upside and downside, and both sides we have to give arrow mark. Upside also we can produce little more, and we will give arrow mark. Upside we will give arrow mark, and downside also we have to give arrow mark. Then equation you have to write nearby the graph. We have to write the equation. What is our equation? 5x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. So here we can write that 5x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. 5x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. 5x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. That is the graph of this equation. Okay, now let's see question number 5. From the choices given below, choose the equation whose graphs are given in figure 4.7 and figure 4.8. Figure number 4.7 and figure number 4.8, it is given here. From the choices given, 1, 2, 3, 4 choices given, choose the equation whose graphs are given. Choose the equations whose graphs are given. That is a graph, it is given here, and 3 points are there. -1, 1, 0, 0, and 1, -1. And which are the equations for this line? That is the question we have to choose from here. So how can we find out that? These 3 points we have to substitute in these equations. If all the 3 points satisfying in these equations, then that equation is the equation for this graph. So first points -1, 1, 0, 0, and 1, -1. So here we can write, here I wrote the question. First equation points are -1, 1, 0, 0, and 1, -1, and 1, -1, and 1, -1. So here we have to check. First equation, see, y is equal to x. Y and x are not equal. Y is equal to 1, x is equal to -1. So first one, it is not the equation. Second one is, see, x plus y is equal to 0. X plus y is equal to 0. -1, x plus, second equation, x plus y is equal to 0. Let's substitute these solutions in this equation. -1 plus 1 is equal to 0. -1 plus 1, 0 is equal to 0. So -1, 1 satisfying in this equation. Second one, let's see, 0, 0. 0, 0 will satisfy. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 0, 0 only is equal to 0. Next one, -1, 1, -1. X is equal to 1, y is equal to -1. 1, -1, that is 0 is equal to 0. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 0 is the equation for this graph, we can write. Next one, y is equal to 2x. Y is equal to 2x. Substitute this first solution in this equation. Y is equal to 1 is equal to 2 into x is equal to -1. 1 is equal to 2 into -1, that is -2. So it is not satisfying. It is not the equation. Third one, you see, 2 plus 3y is equal to 7x. 2 plus 3y is equal to 7x. 2 plus, first solution we will substitute. 2 plus 3 into y is equal to 1 is equal to 7 into x is equal to -1. 2 plus 3 into 1, 3 is equal to 7 into -1, -7. 2 plus 3, 5, not equal to -7. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 0 is the equation for this graph. Other equations are not satisfying in that line. So now, question number 5, second question is there, that you do it by yourself. That is question number 5, this figure number 4.8. Here 3 solutions given there. 3 solutions you substitute in these equations. Then if these solutions are satisfying in this equation, then that equation is the equation for this line. So remaining questions we will do in the next video. Thank you so much.